So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this cool mask text within PowerPoint presentations. So first, we're going to want to start off with a blank slide, and then we can just type in our text. So for that, I'll just insert a text box and type in my text, which will be Gotham in all caps. And I'll change the font to Batman Forever. This font will be linked in the description. It is completely free of cost, and it does have this pretty nice look for this effect. So then once we have our text, we want to size it up massively. So let's go to something like 180. That actually looks perfect. It covers up a decent portion of the slide, and that's exactly what we want. If you want, you can go ahead and make this bold as well. Then go to Shape Format, Align Center, and Align Middle, just to make sure that the text is in the exact center of your slide. Then insert a rectangle and cover the entirety of the slide. So we can just make sure that it's touching the edges using the snap feature. Now once you have this rectangle that's covering our entire slide, you can right click and send to back. So now the text is in front of our rectangle. Then go ahead and select both the text and the rectangle using Shift, and then click on Merge Shapes and click on Combine. And then we'll go with this this colored fill of black, because personally I think this looks better. Then go ahead and insert your picture. You can do this by going to Insert and Pictures, or you can just copy and paste it from the internet. So I'll just search for an online picture. Now once we have our image, you're going to want to click on Crop, then change these outer lines to meet the edges of the slide, just like this. And then click on the drop down of Crop and click on Fill. This will essentially just make your picture fill the slide. Then you're going to want to right click and send to back, and you can see we have the effect that we wanted. And when you have your picture selected, you can go to Animations and click on Grow and Shrink. At the moment, this animation looks very static. So what we're going to want to do is open the animation pane, right click the animation, and click on Effect Options. Go to Timing and change the start to With Previous. Then go back to Effect and change the smooth end to 2 seconds. And click OK. So as you can see, this animation looks a lot smoother and more visually appealing. Then of course you can add in another text box for any subheadings or some smaller text. I'm just going to add in a smaller text box somewhere here and just type in the Dark City. Now you can't see it, of course, because my text is black. So let's just go ahead and change that to white. Change this to Batman Forever Alternate. Center align it. Go to Shape Format, Align, and Align Center. And that's how you can make this amazing looking slide. So if you did find this tutorial helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay tuned with more tutorials, tips, and tricks in PowerPoint. Stay tuned.